guys, welcome to Power to Weight Training. My name is Paul. I'm going to be taking you through some core exercises, 8 different exercises, with the first 7 being 25 repetitions apiece with a 15-second rest, and the last one is going to be 3 minutes static plank hold. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys on the mat behind me in a few seconds. Alright, let's get started with some scissor kicks. If you need to, put your hands underneath your butt to support your lower back. If not, you can put them next to you. I'm going to leave them underneath here for a little bit of support. So let's get going. We're going for 25 repetitions. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And curl up. We'll take a 50-second break, and we're going to move on to scissor kicks, but this time sideways, alright? So we'll get going here in 10 seconds. Take a little breather, and like I said, side scissor kicks. So let's go. Once again, you can support your lower back. Let's get going. And 1, 1, 2, 2. Keep my pace. 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Remember, this is not a race. 6, 7, 7. Nice and easy. 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 10. 1, 1, 2, 2. Come on, burn with me. 3, 3, 4, and 4. 5, and 5. Keep it up. 6, and 6, 7, and 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. 5 more, guys. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, and 5. And you rest for 15 seconds. We're going to go into the reverse crunch this time around, so we can continue working on the lower core area, all right? So reverse crunch, you just basically bring your legs up, and we'll go in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. And once again, you can keep your lower back supported if you like. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1. Keep my pace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll take a 15-second breather, and we're going to do side plank holds. We're just going to hold it for 30 seconds apiece, one on each side. So this is going to be pretty easy. So set up how you like. We'll go in 5 seconds. We're just going to do a static hold, all right? So 30 seconds. Let's go. Just nice, easy static hold. Breathe, relax. 20 seconds left. 10 seconds. Hold it, hold it. Don't let up, don't want to do this. Fight it, fight it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job, everybody. I'm going to switch sides and go on the other side and do another 30 seconds, all right? We'll get going here. Let me fix my clock a little bit. We'll get going. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Same thing, hold it. It's only 30 seconds long. We can all do it. Don't sag. I want to see saggy hips. I want to see those hips up towards the ceiling. Push towards the ceiling. This is a short workout, a short core session. You got to give it all. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. 7 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. So now we're going to go to the old hip raise. If you guys done these workouts with me, you know what I'm talking about. Let me turn back around this way. Get my flat over here. And we're going to raise our hips. So plank position. And we're going to raise up and down 25 times. Ready? And let's go. 1. Nice and easy. 2, 3. I want you to follow my pace. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I really want you to pretend like you've been pulled up with a rope at your waist. I want you to push up with your legs. I want you to pull up. Pull up. Let's do 10 more. Nice job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. All right, good job, everybody. Now we're moving mountain climbers. So we'll get going. You know what to do. It's just 25 of them, so we'll go by pretty quick. And we'll go in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1. You can do them like this, or you can go up and do them like this. However you feel more comfortable. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go for 30. 7, 8, 9, and 30. Nice job. A little extra work on that one. All right, 15-second break. Now we'll go to the meat and potatoes of the exercise. This is the last one. We're doing a 3-minute plank hold, all right? We'll give ourselves a little extra rest. So for 3 minutes, I want you to hold it. And we'll get going in 10 seconds here. And that's gonna be it for the workout. Make sure you make this. I'm gonna struggle right here with you guys. So let's get going. In 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and let's go. All right, might as well settle in for a while because we're not going anywhere. You really have to make the mind and body connection on these holds, on these static holds. So let's get this one moving. I just read an article about an ex-60-some-odd-year-old Marine setting a record for a plank hold, which is over 8 hours. Imagine that. We're going for 3 minutes, and I'm hoping I can make it. And I'm hoping you guys can make it. We're about 45 seconds in, and I think we're doing pretty good, aren't we? Don't sag. I don't want to see this. Hold it. Hold the core together as much as you can. We're about 1 minute in. Third of the way on, however way you want to look at it. Whatever makes it easier. Just hold it. That's that. We don't ask questions, we just do. And since I'm here, I got nothing to talk about, I'm going to remind you once again to subscribe, hit the bell. New workouts coming out every Monday and every Thursday. And they're HIIT workouts, circuit training workouts, how-to workouts, core training workouts, everything and anything. You have to see the little set of dumbbells behind me. Sometimes I use those. And whatever else you guys want, just leave a comment below and we'll get it done, alright? So we're about 1 minute and 45 in, so about 1 minute and 15 left. I don't know how about you guys, but it started to tickle me a little bit. I don't know how I did this for 8 hours. More than anything, my elbows are starting to hurt. But we got 1 minute left, so let's get it done. Tighten up a little bit. I have a tendency to slack off too, do this. That's not a core exercise. This is. So tighten up guys. It's only 45 seconds left. Let's get a really good 45 seconds going here. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Lock those knees out. I might have to shut up for a little bit Well, I'll try not to. I'll just make grunting noises. Alright, less than 30 seconds left. Piece of cake now, you can see the finish line. 20 seconds. You can read the finish on the finish line at this point. And now we're at 10 seconds, so we're going down the finishing chute. Keep it up, come on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Alright, we're done. Thanks once again for joining me. See you guys next week. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I enjoy working out with you. See you every Monday and Thursday. Thanks a lot.